You know, there's been a lot of buzz lately about the benefits of vitamin D, and now researchers are getting a better idea on the dangers of being deficient. Local 10 medical specialist Christy Kruger fills us in.
Well, it is well established that vitamin D is important for your bone health, but studies are also showing that that vitamin may play an important role in your heart health as well. So the body's main source of vitamin D is the sun, which we haven't seen much of lately, right? But it also is eating certain foods. But researchers found that those with extremely low blood levels of vitamin D, less than 15 nanograms per milliliter, they were 35% more likely to have some sort of a cardiac event. This study is the very first of its kind to actually determine the level at which the lack of vitamin D could cause harm to your heart. Also in today's HealthCast, the latest on how the right diet may help with depression. Cardiologist Dr. Ari Sofer has details in his Second Opinion report.
Rebecca Demisel faces life with an upbeat, positive attitude. But there are times when she has her bouts with the blues.
There have been deaths in my family, a recent, well, maybe a year and a half ago, a suicide.
While she's never been diagnosed as depressed, Rebecca was pleased to learn that her dietary habits could be psychologically protective.
A couple little drops of the...
New research shows that eating fruit, vegetables, nuts, and olive oil, the staple of the Mediterranean diet, helps fight depression.
The science has been there. It's only the last couple of years that people started cooking and living Mediterranean.
The study looked at the depression scores of people who followed the Mediterranean diet and those who did not.
And they saw that a lot of these people's depression scores lifted while all other factors were controlled.
The only problem with the Mediterranean diet for some is the time it takes to prepare and combine the food.
So we teach them how to do that. We give them menus, we give them recipes, make it as easy as possible.
Sure.
For those reasons and more, Rebecca plans to continue to follow the focus of the Mediterranean diet.
I think it's really important as far as what you intake is, as far as what's coming out, you know, how you feel, your mood, your energy, how you look.
Recent scientific data has shown that the crucial ingredient in the Mediterranean diet is extra virgin olive oil. However, up to 70% of extra virgin olive oil in the U.S. is thought to be diluted and therefore much less effective. It's important to research the authenticity of the brand you're choosing before buying. With your Second Opinion, I'm Dr. Ari Sofer.
All right, thanks, Ari. And the study found that even a moderate adherence to this type of diet really did help reduce the risk of you developing depression. Get that handful of nuts, guys.